Every woman wants to look attractive in the eyes of men. After all, getting true love with a good man is one of the greatest wishes of a woman. Nobody chooses how they want to look like when they are born, it is all up to God. There are those who are blessed with irresistibly charming looks as well as those whose looks are just average. The good news is that everyone can become attractive not in terms of physical appearance alone but also in many other ways. In fact, many women have tried in vain to change their appearance as well as other things about themselves, all because they want to attract someone. If you want to become more desirable, you need someone knowledgeable and experienced to guide you carefully and exactly through what should be done, otherwise you might end up with a terrible disappointment. This is where you need the Make Him Desire You guide. Click the link in the description below this video for details. Authored by Alex Carter, Make Him Desire You is a fantastic guidebook full of tips as well as suggestions to help women improve their relationships with their partners, become better significant others and improve their understanding of the men in their lives. Testimonials prove that this guide is a great resource for women in all different stages of a relationship. Your purchase is backed by 60 days ironclad money-back guarantee. It's guaranteed to work whether you are already in a long-term relationship or simply interested in someone but don't know how to win him over. The author is a well-known relationship expert and mentor. He has spent many years guiding couples, assisting them understand and assimilate the significance as well as the art of attraction, and helping them enjoy their relationships. As at this time, there was well over 1 million downloads of this popular guide. How does Make Him Desire You work? There are numerous crucial relationship factors that are covered in Make Him Desire You ebook. Anyone can use Make Him Desire You guidebook as it is a collection of solutions to many problems. The book is quite easy to read, and it just contains what the author deems necessary for users to learn. Unlike other guides, nothing is redundant. The How to Make Him Desire You guide has a simple and user-friendly format to enable you learn everything with ease. It has received much positive feedback from happy customers who have bought and followed it. As you can see, Make Him Desire You is a very easy to follow love and relationship guide. It cuts the need for a relationship coach. This fantastic guide has helped many women win the hearts of their significant others or solve their relationship problems successfully. You too can obtain and follow it to improve your relationship or win over that special man who has been causing you to have sleepless nights. Click the link in the description below this video for details.